What's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. I am going to do a Trias update, but let's hop into a few things since it's been a while since I've done a Trias video. Guys, I don't know if you guys have been following my Twitter updates or following any of my other social media posts, but I have built out my website completely. I am building out a lot of free information for you guys. Check out my website. I will put a link below. It's cryptojewels.io. I'll put a link below to all the free information that I've got. I've got just a treasure trove of free information, free resources for anybody who's interested in becoming a better trader, investor, or at least understanding market cycles, market structure, and knowing when to buy and sell their crypto assets or any asset for that matter. Other than that, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only. So don't blindly follow anything I say or do. Let's hop into the Trias chart real quick. All right. So if you guys are following my updates on Twitter and my blog posts on my website, actually literally just yesterday or 2 days ago, I can't remember what, I posted a blog post about RSI and how I use it in my trading. And this actually is a very good example of how I use RSI with my trading, coupled with my Elliott wave, count. So check that blog post out. I'm not going to get into detail in how I use this, but check that blog post out. I'll post a link below this video so you guys can have easy access to it if you want to see that post to understand how I do use RSI. And if you guys do sign up to get the bonus material, I have created a video detailing exactly how I use RSI in my trading style. So this right here on a high time frame, this is on the daily. As we've talked about before with the macro count, there are two scenarios that I see as possible. First one being that this is a macro 1, 2. This would be an extremely deep 2 wave. And if, so therefore the likelihood of this being a 3, 4, 5 significantly decreases. I will not make up my mind as to whether this is a macro 3, 4, 5, or if this is just going to be an ABC until the chart really starts to unfold. But either way, I think there is a heck of a lot of upside left, no matter what, whether this turns out to just be a C wave or if this ends up being a 3 wave. So if it ends up being a 3 wave, I've got this thing going at least to 250 bucks. If it ends up being a C wave, it will probably go anywhere from $20 to $30. But from here, that's still a heck of a large gain. So either way, I will be happy regardless, and we'll trade the chart accordingly. And obviously, I will be doing videos and keeping this thing updated as we go. So let's hop into the micro real quick. Don't need my RSI on there any longer. All right, so on the micro, again, for those of you guys who have been following me, I thought we would get down to about 98, 99 cents. I thought there was a possibility of going down to 75. I am no longer calling for those lows. I believe the bottom is in. However, we do need to complete this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to complete this 5 wave structure and then have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a bigger 5 wave, and then an ABC down in order for me to be 100% confident that the bottom is in. But as of right now, everything is looking impulsive across the crypto board as far as I'm concerned. So as of right now, this is looking very promising that the bottom is in, and we should be pumping significantly from here at this point. The way I had this count was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down to originally I thought it would be about 99 cents. It ended up going to $1.02. So close enough. I will call that a fairly accurate prediction. And let's look at what we can expect. So if this is indeed impulsive and my bias is correct, I believe we will have a 5th wave up here. Let's just say that it goes to about $1.40 or so. I would expect from there, and this can change, guys. This $1.40 target is just a total guess right now. We could have an extended fifth wave. We could have all sorts of different things that happen, but I'm just assuming and guessing that this thing will go to about $1.40. From there, I would anticipate a retracement down to roughly $1.09 to $1.15. And that would be the first one wave. And then from there, I would anticipate a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to about 212. That would put in our larger degree one wave. And I would anticipate that correcting down to anywhere in this range from $1.19 to $1.35. And from there, and guys, again, this is all based on that $1.40 price range for this first micro one. Obviously, this will change more than likely, but this is just giving a rough idea of how explosive I think this is going to be once it finally decides to take off. So once this sucker goes, that will take this to, based off of this count, which I believe is highly likely, would take us to around $5.36. So from here, that is a healthy 334%. All right, guys, that is basically what I see right now. I'm calling the bottom in, and that's my opinion. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. See y'all later.